Hello guys, you are watching Cpahacks. Before entering into the video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share this video who all are interested in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. Okay, so today we are on the journey of $5,000 within 6 days in affiliate marketing. So today the chapter 7. So if you haven't watched the previous chapters means please watch this chapters from 1 to 6, then you can come to chapter 7. Okay, so in this chapter 7 I'm going to teach you about WordPress hack. Okay, so in WordPress you can get unlimited of free traffic. Okay, not only every traffic, but you can easily get your selected audience traffic unlimitedly in WordPress. So if you don't have a WordPress mint, no issues. In my previous methods I have taught you some free things and free traffic sources. You can also use it by using your landing pages. So if you have a WordPress means you can use this trick, but this is really a powerful trick. Everybody can use it. So if you have an idea to purchase a WordPress or a hosting domain means I'll give the links in the description. You can buy it and you can start your WordPress journey also. Okay, so this is your WordPress dashboard. This is how the dashboard looks like. Okay, first after you have selected your micro niche, buy a domain regarding your micro niche. Okay, for an example, if your micro niche name is kitchen means purchase a domain called as kitchenthings.com, marvelous.kitchens.com, automatickitchen.com. like this your domain name should be related to your micro niche. Okay, this is how you should purchase a domain. And for hosting you can purchase any plan. Okay, it's up to you. You can buy a monthly plan or yearly subscription, it's up to you, but I have given you the cheapest hosting link in the description. If you can purchase it and you can use it. Okay, so after purchasing your hosting and domain, you should connect the both domain and hosting in your you should connect your domain in your hosting. So I can't explain you each and everything in this video because it will really a big video. Okay, but even though if you want to know more about it, you can get my private session things and you can start your journey. Okay, in my private session I have taught you each and everything, how to purchase a plan, how to create your pages, how to create your posters, each and everything I have explained you clearly. So if you want, you can join at any time. Okay, so yes, back to the video. Just click on post and add new. You have to create a post regarding your micro niche. For an example, I have chosen so for an example, today our micro niche is dog. Okay, so in this dog micro niche you have to create a question and you have to answer on it. For an example, this is a question regarding your dog niche. Okay, for this question you are going to give your answer also. So where you can get your answer. Okay, so just copy your question and go to the website called as ChatGPT. This is a new AI tool I have explained you in the previous videos. Okay, just log into this website and paste your question and click on go. Your answers is generating automatically. Okay, so after getting this answers, okay, once this answers is completed, just click on copy. Okay, just copy this answer, click on paste here. Okay, then not only this ends your work. Okay, you have to paste a picture also. For downloading a picture you should not use every pictures or else you will get the copyright issue. You can use a website called as Unsplash. Okay, Unsplash. Okay, this is a website you can download as much as of free HD pictures. You won't get any copyright issue. Okay, you can download it from here and you can paste it there. Okay, just click on dog on it. You can download any picture. Okay, just click on download as image. Here you can download it, and you can add your picture also here. Okay, so you have pasted your dog picture also. So like this you can create as much as contents you can. Okay, so for an example, you have how to say totally in your niche you should post at least 50 to 60 contents regarding your micro niche. Only about your micro niche you have to post more than 50 contents in your WordPress. Then only you will start getting many traffics day by day. Per first day you will get 10 visitors, second day 50, 60, 100, 200, 5k, 6k. Like this wise you will get as much of traffic. Then you will start earning your money from affiliate marketing. In the end you have to mention that if you really want to for an example, this is the question. Okay, do you want to know why your dog is biting everything which he sees? So you have to give a solution and you have to give the answers regarding your affiliate product. For example, you have a dog training product, means do you want to know how to stop your dog's behavior, or do you want to know how to train your dog within say 30 days? Please watch this product. If you like this, you can purchase and use it. Okay, like this you have to create some contents and you have to paste it. This is how this affiliate marketing is worked on WordPress. Many things are available, which means customer attraction and pop-ups and a timer. This all things are available, but I can't explain each and everything in one video because this video will take as much as long, because many people will get bored if the video is more than 10 minutes or 12 minutes. That's why I'm shortening the every videos below 10 minutes. So if you are interested, you can search many things in YouTube, and or else if you want my personal mentorship also, you can join at me anytime. So this is how your work will be processed. Okay, for an then last but not least, I will update you about my private session details. Okay, so totally I think 314 people have joined in my private session, and many people have started earning their leads in CPA marketing courses, and many people have joined in the affiliate marketing session also, because we have started now only the affiliate marketing session, but many people have joined with us. So if you also have an interest with joining with us and you want to start your first earnings, means you can join at any time, and you can get the details in my personal Instagram and in Telegram also. I'll give the links in the description. You can contact me anytime. Not only about the course, you can ask any doubts regarding your CPA journey or affiliate journey. I'll guide you and I can help you as much as I can. Okay, so in the private session what will you get, means you will get my A to Z guidance, and I have many modules of video which is 100% a working trick, and many people have got their results also. I have uploaded in the Instagram, and I'll upload many things in the community space also in my YouTube place. You can watch it there also. Yes, so this is the things. If you want, you can join at any time, and next video will be the last video in affiliate marketing journey. It's chapter 8. Okay, you can use the tricks and you can start earning your first dollars in affiliate marketing. This is an unbelievable tricks I have taught you in YouTube. So please start your practical works. Don't stop with just watching the videos. Please always be ready and be ready to start your work practically. Okay, then only you will get the results. Not by just watching the videos you will get the results. Okay, if the action take only, always get the results. So please always start your practical works by watching my YouTube videos. All the best. Until then, it's bye from Cpahacks. Let's see you in the next chapter.